Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Should you keep your money in regular cash, or jump into futures trading? Today, we're breaking down futures trading versus fiat currency, and which one is right for you. What is fiat currency? Fiat currency is the money we use every day: dollars, euros, pounds. Its value comes from government backing, not gold or silver. The advantages: widely accepted, stable, and easy to use. You can pay bills, buy groceries, and save with no complications. The downsides: inflation reduces purchasing power over time. Your savings lose value unless interest rates beat inflation, and they usually don't. Think of fiat as the safe, reliable choice. It won't make you rich, but it won't destroy your wealth either. What is futures trading? A futures contract is an agreement to buy or sell an asset at a set price on a future date. People trade futures on commodities, cryptocurrencies, or stock indexes. The advantages: high profit potential with leverage. You can control large positions with small amounts of money. Futures also allow hedging against price changes. The risks: extremely high. The leverage that magnifies profits also magnifies losses. You can lose more than you invest. Markets move fast, and without knowledge, you can wipe out your account in days. Futures require experience, constant monitoring, and emotional discipline. Key differences: risk: fiat is low risk. Futures are high risk. Accessibility: everyone can use fiat. Futures require trading knowledge and aren't for beginners. Profit potential: fiat might earn 1.5% annually. Futures could double your money, or lose it all, in weeks. Stability: fiat is stable. Futures are volatile with wild price swings. Time commitment: fiat needs no attention. Futures demand constant monitoring. Which should you choose? Choose fiat if you want safety and simplicity. You're saving for emergencies or short-term goals. You can't afford to lose money. You're new to investing. Consider futures if you're an experienced trader. You can afford to lose the money. You have time to monitor positions. You understand leverage and risk. Many smart investors use both, keeping essential funds in stable fiat while trading futures with money they can afford to lose. Fiat offers stability and safety. Futures offer high returns with high risks. Both have their place. Choose based on your goals, knowledge, and risk tolerance. Don't let anyone pressure you into risky trading. Financial success is about smart choices, not big risks. What's your take? Team fiat or team futures? Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more financial content. Thanks for watching.